Best $2,500 Gaming PC Build. Number 1. CPU. AMD Ryzen 9 7950X 3D. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X 3D is recommended CPU, especially given its price tag of under $700. It boasts 16 cores and 32 threads, making it a powerful piece of silicon. With a boost capability of 5.7 GHz, it can be overclocked to some extent, providing a noticeable performance boost. Additionally, it features a substantial 144 MB cache memory, and it supports DDR5 RAM, enhancing overall system performance. This processor stands out as a formidable option for those seeking high-end computing capabilities without breaking the bank. Number 2. GPU. PNY GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. This high-end graphics card offers formidable performance at a reasonable price, just a few $100s short of $1,000. Powered by NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, tailored for professional graphics, video, and AI, it boasts a 2310 MHz core clock, 2610 MHz boost clock speeds, 12 GB of GDDR6X, 192-bit, onboard memory, and an impressive 7680 CUDA processing cores. Number 3. RAM. G.Skill Flare X5 Series. Tailored for the AMD X670 series chipset with Ryzen 7000 series CPUs, this RAM kit is an ideal match for your build. Offering two 16 GB DDR5-6000 modules at an exceptionally competitive price, this RAM ensures optimal performance. Number 4. Motherboard. Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX. To complement such an exceptional processor, the Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX stands out as an excellent motherboard that won't strain your budget. This board encompasses DDR5 support, excellent thermal management, ample ports, the capacity for 128 GB of RAM, and an impressive 5-year warranty. The Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX stands out as a reliable and feature-rich motherboard catering to the demands of modern computing. With a robust power delivery system, DDR5 support, advanced thermal management, and a thoughtful M.2 EasyLatch design, it offers a well-rounded package for users seeking a high-performance and future-proof motherboard. Number 5. SSD. Samsung 980 Pro SSD. This 2TB M.2 drive is a high-performance SSD, boasting double the data transfer rate of PCIe 3.0 and read speeds of up to 7,000 MB per second. Samsung addresses potential heat concerns by incorporating a nickel coating and a heat spreader label, ensuring both performance and stability. Number 6. Case. Antec Performance. Cases are a subjective choice, considering they'll be a visual part of your setup for years. The Antec Performance 1 foot is selected for its ample cooling capacity, easy tool-free modular design, dust filtering, and built-in cable management. Number 7. PSU. Cooler Master Masterwatt. Providing ample power for all components in this build at a reasonable cost, the Cooler Master Masterwatt 750W PSU comes with modular cabling. This feature allows for the detachment of unnecessary cables from the PSU, contributing to a neat and organized interior of the PC. Number 8. Cooler. Vetru V360. For the formidable CPU, a liquid cooler is recommended, and AMD suggests this Vetru V360 kit. It includes all essential components: a CPU cooling block, a radiator, a built-in pump, and 3 low-noise, speed control fans. Additionally, it features RGB lighting to add a stylish touch to your PC case. Get the link to all these gaming PC build in the description box.